Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. So today's video is about editing. Okay, I'm going to show you how to edit your video. The other time I showed you guys how to make a video, and now it is time to edit that video. Alright, so editing is kind of fun, okay, because this is where you get to add different characters to your video. You can add animation, you can add pictures, you can add, text to your, this is where you kind of fine-tune your video to how you want it. Clean it up, add, subtract, you remove the things that you don't want or you don't like about your video, clean it up and make it really smooth and good to go. All right, so that's what we're doing here. My 12-year-old son taught me how to edit, and there's another app that he wants me to use, but I've already gotten used to this app, so I was like, okay, let me make a video of this, and then next time when I start using that app and get used to it, I'm going to show you guys how to use that app as well, okay, so that you can have an option of which app works best for you. Okay, so I'm going to be using Kine Master, so I will show you how Kine Master works. If you are already subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate all of y'all. And if you are not, please subscribe to me so that you can see my next upload, which will be about how to upload your video to YouTube. All right, so I have a lot of information coming for you, so stay tuned and subscribe so that you can see all of this information and put your post notification on so that you can be notified when I upload something. Okay, all right, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, showing you how to edit your video. Okay, all right, let's go. So guys, this is how I edit. Okay, I use Kine Master to edit, like I told you. So I'm gonna push this plus sign here, and then I will choose, it says select the aspect ratio of the project. It will be 16.9, so I choose this one. And then next I'm gonna choose intro, which is this one, and I'll choose that. Okay, so that's my intro, and I select to see how this is taking up the whole space, right? There's a watermark, so I need to remove that watermark. I need to click on this and then click on this and the equal sign, and then that's gonna allow me to now move, now that I have moved the video to the side so that the watermark is not in the video, okay, because the watermark is right here. So now I've moved it out to the side so that when I export it, there won't be any watermark. All right, so let's play the video right here and right here. Okay, so that's my intro video. So got my intro. So next I am going to choose my video. All right, so I push there, and I will choose from, it gives you an option to choose from, whatever is in your phone, from your WhatsApp, or from your video screenshots or whatnot. So I'm going to choose from my camera. So let's choose one of these videos to edit just to show you how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this video. All right, so it goes all the way to the end of the video, so I am gonna move it to the beginning so we can start editing. See, all the way to, okay, so we're at the beginning. Let's go past the intro. Okay, so we're right there. So so I click this button here, and that chooses this video. All right, so then I play it to start editing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. So today's video, I'm going to share some video ideas with you. Okay, if you're like me, there are days that I don't know what to. So okay, let's go back here. Let's play it. Ooh, shit. Okay, so see that? Hi guys, part welcome right to my channel. So see that part right there? I'm going to edit that, okay? I don't want to see myself, adjusting my clothes, right? Oh, first of all, let's remove this from the watermark, okay? We need to see how it's covering everything, including the watermark. So we need to move it. So I push there, and then I select this, and then I select the equal sign, and that allows me, again, to move the picture or the video away from the watermark, okay? Like that. And then I'm going to select that and then start. Okay, okay, see how I'm adjusting my clothes? I'm going to edit that part. Okay, so to edit that part, I basically just click here, and I'm going to use the scissors to cut that part out. So I press on the scissors, and the scissors is going to tell me to choose either to the left or right. So I'm going to cut this to the left because I want to trim this to the left of this red line. Okay, you see this red line here. So if I press trim to the left of playhead, this is the playhead. All right, this red line is the playhead. So if I trim to the left of it, I'm going to remove this part that I do not want. So I'm going to do that by pressing trim to the left. Okay, so that removes that part. So now I push the check mark, okay, and I play the video to keep going. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. Okay, so see how I said it twice. I don't want to say it twice, okay? So I am going to try to figure out where the second part starts, okay? So let me play again. Welcome to my channel. I am Ada. So I stop there, okay? And I'm going to remove that part because that's the part where I said it twice. So I click again on the scissor, and that gives me those options to trim to the left or trim to the right. Okay, so I want to remove this. So again, I do that. Okay, and I put the check mark and I play. So today's video, I'm going to share some video ideas with you. Okay, if you're like me, you know, there are days that I don't know what to make a video on. Okay, so again, if I want to trim anything there, I push the scissors. It gives me the option to trim to the left of this red line or trim to the right of it. All right, so and or split at playhead. Okay, this is still the this is the playhead. So if I push or split at playhead, it's gonna allow me to remove some part of the video that I don't want. So let's try that. Okay, so that's the playhead comes to the where the red line is. All right, so now to remove some part of this that I'm not that I don't like, I just push on this and then drag it to the point where I want to remove and let it go, and then I press the check mark, and that removes the part that I don't want. Okay, and now I can play it and see if that part is gone. To make your transition a little smoother than mine was, especially if you're a new YouTuber. Okay, so again, if I click here, again, I have the option to remove either to the left or to the right. If I click to the right, then I'm going to wipe out everything that is to the right. Okay, I don't want to do that because, you know, that's not what I want to do. So that is what happens if I click trim to right of playhead. That will remove everything to the right of this red line. All right, so let's try that. Okay, just for the sake of trying, let's choose trim to the right of playhead. See, everything is gone. So if I want it to come back, I just press this and everything is back, right? Trim to the right, it's gone. Bring it back, I press that. Okay, trim to the left, press this, it's gone. Bring it back, I press this and it's back. Okay, so the next thing is to add pictures or text to your video. So to do that, you press layer right here. That gives you the option to choose media or text or sticker. And so let's try text. Okay, so text is right here. So I press that. This allows me to add any text that you want to add to your video. For instance, if you want to add your social media sites there, like if I want to say, okay, I'm Instagram, I'm AdaCliff.97. So let me see, I can add that at AdaCliff. Okay, so it's there, so I'm gonna select it because I've already entered that, so it's there for me to select, and then I press OK. All right, and it's there now. So now I can adjust it and put it where I want. I usually like to put it in the corner, so I put it there, and then you can open it up so you can see it more clearly. See, you can move it around, put it wherever you want, or you can rotate it. And you can even change the color of it by selecting this. Okay, and it gives you different colors. Let's select pink. All right, and then check mark. All right, we press select. Okay, so it's pink. All right, so and then we can even choose to animate it. Okay, if you just want it to stay still like that, that's fine. But if you want it to be animated, you can press this icon here, and it gives you the option of whether you want it to fade, or you want it to pop, or you want it to slide to the right, or slide to the left, or slide up, slide down, you know, whatever you want it to do, it could do. You can even do clockwise, make it go clockwise, counter clockwise. All right, and you can even have it drop. All right, so you have those options, and then once you choose the options you want, you press the check mark again. All right, and then you can play it and see how it comes
to make
see,
your transition a little smoother than mine was.
So, and then if you want to delete something, like let's say this whole section you want to delete it. Okay, this the one that's highlighted in yellow. Yes, if you press the delete button, all of that will be gone. Okay, so let's try that. Press the delete button. Everything will be trashed. Okay, all that was highlighted in yellow. Okay, so if you want it back, you can reverse it and it will come back. All right, so now let's try putting pictures. So if you want to put pictures to your video, you click layer again, and it gives you the option of media. So you select media, and the media you're gonna choose. Let's say you choose from your camera. Okay, so let's say you choose a picture from that video. Where are those? Let's say we choose this picture. Okay, and we want to add this picture to this video. So the picture is here. You can adjust this picture and make it smaller by pressing on here, dragging this up and down, like that, moving it like that. Or if you want to move it to the side, you can do that, and then make it smaller or make it bigger, or make it cover the whole screen if you like. Okay, so you have that option to move it, and you can even move this picture around as well, like that. Okay, so just put the picture in the corner there somewhere, and then you can animate this picture as well, and by pressing this, you can have it pop, you can have it fade, you can have it, or you can just have it there stand still, or you can move it to the right, or you can slide it to the left, or you can slide it down clockwise and counterclockwise. You can even drop it. Okay, so all of those things you have the option to do, and once you are done, or once you select what you want, you press the check mark again. You press the check mark and then play your video.
Especially if you're a new YouTuber, it's challenging sometimes to figure out what to make a video on.
Okay, so that's how I use this app. Okay, so once I'm done, so you do that whole process throughout your whole video, and removing what you don't like and adding things that you want to add to your video. All right, so basically those are the two things that I use on here. And then once you're done and you go all the way to the end, I usually just go back to the beginning of the video and play it again and see what I like and what I want to, just to see if I like how everything turned out. If so, then great, I will go ahead and export it. If there's still something that I want to remove or add, I just keep working on it, keep repeating the same process. All right, so that's my editing. That is how I do my editing. All right, so then after I do that, then I'm ready to export the video. And to export it, I'm going to press this button over here, right here. This is where I export. All right, so I push this, and that allows me to export. And then I'm going to use the resolution, the highest resolution, and the highest frame rate is 30. So I use 4K 2160p and 30, and then I push export. And this here is asking me to pay for this app, which I do not want to pay for this app, because if you pay, it removes the watermark for you. But I don't want to pay for the app. I like the free version of it, so that's why I figured out how to remove the watermark so that I don't have to pay for the app. I don't recommend that you pay for it because, you know, it's like $4 a month. I mean, it adds up. So if you can use it for free, why not? Okay, so I say skip, okay? And then it's exporting. So the exporting takes about 30 minutes to export, all right? So we are exporting now. So once it's done exporting, we are good to go. Okay, guys, that is how you edit on Kine Master, okay? I hope you got something out of it. All right, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. If you are already subscribed, thank you. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I upload the next one, which is how to upload your videos to YouTube. All right, thank you for watching, and have a blessed day, and I will see you next time.